This is a little Leucaena tree that I bought from a nursery, and I just wanted to show you the wrong way to stake a tree. This is the wrong way. Why is it wrong? Well, look at what happens when I pull these things off. Let me step back. The whole tree immediately starts to lop over to one side. Let's see what happens if I take out that other one at the bottom. Right. Let me step back a bit more. Phew. Look at that. There's the tree. That's where it was. That one isn't even the worst. Let me show you this one. Also Leucaena, also from the same nursery. See where the rocks are? There it goes. Want to see even better? Let me take you over here. This is enough to weep. There you go. This is the whole tree. If you stake it that tightly, it never develops strength in its middle. I mean, look at that. That is like pencil thin. And when I don't hold it anymore, boom, that's what happens. I'm going to show you now what happens if you get them. We'll come back here tomorrow probably and fix this. And how you fix it is not by staking it the way that one was, or this one, or any of the others were. There's another way to stake them, and then they develop a lot of strength in their stem, and then they stay upright by themselves. We'll come back tomorrow and come and fix that. Okay, so we got this guy that's hanging over like this. I put in a piece of a reed. This is tree elastic. This is made specially for trees so it doesn't harm the bark in any way. So let's cut off a piece. And then what you do, you can make a loop like this. Just pull it through. Right, go like that. Put it around the tree. Just pull it through so it's nice and loose, like so. And then all you need to do is you tie this to the stake. Alright, now you'll see you have a lot of lateral movement like this. That's because trees eat wind. The movement that you get that does this thickens the stem. So in a couple of months this guy will be nice and sturdy, and you'll see immediately when you come and you untie this and it doesn't flop over, then it means that it's a-okay. Here's another one, Floppy McFlop face. That's a sad story. Okay, let me tie this one as well to the stake. Well, we're planting olives today. We have a vegetarian on the team as well helping us. His name is Pitt, and he's got two very distinctive ears like an erstwhile South African politician. Okay, so this is Mollison swale, and there you see Mollison swale, and we've just planted. This is part of the huge food forest. This is 15-16 hectares, and so we've now planted here the first Leucaenas and Kalamata olives. So what we have is a nitrogen fixer reproductive tree, and nitrogen fixer reproductive tree, etc., so all the way down to there. So this is pretty cool. We're really excited about this. The ground here was surprisingly moist, but okay, it is winter. These swales have been harvesting quite a lot of water. It doesn't look like it at the moment because it hasn't rained for several days, but this is now their second winter that they've been catching water. And so that water would have now sunk in underground and under this plume, and then would have been, or made a plume under the swale, under the berm, and would then through capillary action have been pulled up into that. So these trees are in very little danger of drowning in winter when it's raining. because they're higher up, I mean, the water can just drain away, and they're also in virtually no danger of dying of thirst in summer when it's dry and hot because of the moisture that's going to be locked underground here. In the next couple of years, especially as the Leucaenas, they're very fast growing. As they grow, they're going to start shading out this, and the fynbos growing over there, they don't like shade. So they will naturally start to crowd out the fynbos here. There's a part up on the farm, way up there, that we're going to leave. It's going to be 30% of the farm. We're going to leave that completely wild. But the rest here is this is really the beginning of our huge food forest. And there's Pete again. And red lamb, bloody naughty. Anyway, this is awesome. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.